again, guys. You know, today I feel for some cow foot and bean, so that's on the menu for today. So you know, just I get here clean up before we proceed this menu. So here I have it. 2 pounds of cow foot. Yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and just run my knife through. Yeah, they're a bit too big. Just want to get them smaller. Yeah, so that they can be easily pressure right through. So there you have it. Let me just finish up. Good. So we have our 2 pounds of cow foot. So just gonna get the seasoning vegetables ready for seasoning. So don't move a muscle. At it again once more. So have a cow foot here, wash, prepare up. So now we're just gonna get the seasoned vegetable, cut, chop, and just massage in that cow foot. We have it salt, a little powder seasoning, and we crush pimento. Yeah, so you know we're not to go hard with the powder seasoning. We mostly concentrate on naturally grown, organic, yeah, seasoning. So we have garlic, thyme, onion, yeah, scotch bonnet, scallion, yeah, you know we have put a little tubes of ginger, this one, sweet pepper. So you know, never do much chatting. You just have to get busy. You see me? So we're gonna just do it up. Prepare up with veggie, chop, dice, cut, whatever. Yeah, for season up the pot. But you know, big up to all dieted followers, subscribers, those who share. Yeah, I appreciate all that you have done so far, and that you know that are the motivational factor that keep the channel going, keep us going, keep us giving some authentic Jamaican recipe. And you know we're gonna mix it up now and then with some foreign cuisine, but you know Jamaican all over the world, yeah. And just love the local prep. So dash in with the garlic. Alright. You know, so if you do something for my followers, for my subbies, yeah. Just to show how much I appreciate. Here it is. Freestyle. Up at the tip of the tongue. I appreciate when you share. I appreciate when you like. I appreciate all thumbs up. Even more when you subscribe. Yes, peeps. That goes out also to future subscribers. You see me? Yeah. So let's continue to show the love. And you know, we'll do something off the back one and there. Send some credit to some appreciation. Just show the appreciation, just like how you show the love. But yeah, alright, too much of that. Watch this. Alright, just drop in with thyme before that, you know, with onion. So whenever I edit, we just everything just smooth. Because what we are doing now, we just prepare the vegetable. with us marinade and also pressure the cow foot. Kind of cow foot, you know, are easy meat to get tender, so you know you have to pressure it. So these season now I just help flavor the cow foot when you have pressure. So that's just that. So stay tuned and watch. Let me get busy doing what I do best. Alright, sweet pepper. We're not going to mint the ginger, because I just give some chop on both sides just to let the juice and the flavor come out. Yeah. Alright, now for your scotch bonnet. Oh my. No. I just use the skin. Really? Because the pressure this and this bust in the pot, you know. And everybody and anybody can manage that. So take out the seed, yeah, because I use the skin, because you know the skin get the flavor. Yeah man, the skin just get that kick. And now the seed get the spicy flavor. So we're going to just leave back some of them seed here until we finish pressure. Then we just use it to just put in the pot. Alright, we have crush pimento seed, yeah, mustard that seed, some salt, yeah, and then a little, not much, yeah, just 3 shake, couple shake, not you that. Alright, mustard this here now. So as it is now, we're going to make this go and marinate, make this go and set about hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Well, that is optional, you don't have to marinate it, but you know, like when time we season marinate with the meat, it kind of gives a buzz, you see me? So just give a quick wrap. Yes, now peeps. So now we're just gonna, as we say, optional, season up. Some person just season up and just dash in at the pot same time. Yeah, but you know, love when the thing marinate, set, soaking. Yeah, so that may I pray now. So now I just gonna make this set. Yeah, a few. So I just put this in the fridge. Let it go and set. Don't move a muscle. Okay, yes. Yeah, after marinating for about an hour, let me just get rid of this plastic wrap. Good. Yes. I smell the vegetable already, and it never start cook. So you know what this means. Anytime you start deal with it, oh my. Yeah, you will read about the rest. But alright, as I say, we're slow cooker. Yeah. I gotta do the magic today. You know, the pressure cooker down, so yeah. Always have a little I turn it root. You see me? So we're gonna just deal with it in the slow cooker. So we're gonna just transfer all this into that. Then put some water into the, yeah, I'll wash out this and pour it off as well. So that's just it. We just put a little bit more water to just submerge the meat. Yeah, that's supposed to be good enough. So now just gonna okay, so we're just gonna put on the cover, lock him. Okay, cool. So now we're just gonna set him. We're gonna give him about 30 minutes on high. Here, that's supposed to partially tender him, and then after that 30 minutes, you know, we stop, we check him. And if based on how tender it is, then we apply another 15, 10, 30 minutes. It just depends on how soft you want your meat cook. So set him up, put on the timer, and have him running. Okay, so yeah, so here we start it off now. So it is just building up the pressure inside the cooker. So yes, half an hour for the first set. So we're just gonna leave it here to go to build up, then start pressuring. So stay tuned. Big boss at work. Okay, so now the first 40 minutes lapse. So we done pressure. So now we are just go in and see how tender the meat is. So we're just gonna do our fork tender test. So let me just bring this up. Let me just take a piece and just, okay, well, it is soft, but you know, yeah, need some more. Little more pressure in. So yeah, I'm just gonna give this what, yeah, cause I like when time I eat my cow foot, you know, I just slide off of the bone, I slide off of the fork. You see me? That jello, that gummy flavor, that gummy texture, you got it right. So that me I work on. So yeah, it's soft, you know, guys, but we just need a little extra more heat on that. And yeah, I just eat 20 more minutes, make him come to perfection. And after that, now during that, I go and cut up some vegetable, some Irish, some carrot. Yeah, you know, if you just eat some flavor and some color. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that we give it the second 20 minutes, just gonna now tap in and see what the texture is like now. Oh yes, oh mama, oh yeah, love it. You see that? This is really fork tender. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the texture, tenderness I want in my cow foot. So now we are just put on the final layer and seal them up. Give them next 10 minutes on low steam now with the butter bean, make him go and simmer down. Stay tuned. Okay, now peeps, here we are going to transfer now over into the pot now and make him get the final final 10 minutes of simmering. So look at that, guys. You can see the thick, rich, gummy sauce. Yeah. So this is a lot of water now, so I'm just gonna take out a portion of the water. So I don't want so much water in it now because I don't want my gravy long like the River Nile. I want it thick and gummy and juicy. So yes, I'm gonna just tap it up with some okra. Cause you know okra give it that thick, gummy. So stay tuned. Yes, everything will come to an end. All right, yes, these are the consistency. Look at the thickness, peeps. Yeah, everything on. Cow foot here, browning optional, but you know, you just leave it in its natural color. Yes, man. Cow foot and bean. Alright, so I'll just share out here a little portion. We can get a close-up look, a close-up view, and you know the rest. Yes guys, as I said, yeah, you can use browning. Browning is optional. Yeah, if you prefer browning, you can go ahead and add your browning when you're putting in your final touch. But I like my cow foot in its natural color. Yes, just look at it. Yeah, juicy, succulent. Cow foot and bean. You can see carrot, sweet pepper. Yeah. So you can serve it with some rice and peas, some plain rice, or just some vegetable and salad. Anything of your choice, anything you like. Yes, there you go. Cow foot and bean. Don't forget to share, thumbs up, subscribe. Okay? Continue to show love, and we continue to make some authentic Jamaican recipe.